Welcome back to Class 7 Mathematics, Chapter 11 Perimeter and Area. Today's topic is Exercise 11.3 Questions 1 to 8. These questions are related to perimeter and area of a circle. First, we can see the circumference of a circle. In other words, circumference means perimeter. Perimeter of a circle is known as its circumference. That means the distance around a circular region. It is represented by C. So circumference C equal to pi d, where d is the diameter of the circle and pi is a constant. Its value is 22 upon 7 or 3.14. So children, the formula to find circumference of circle is pi d or 2 pi r. Why we can apply 2 pi r? Yes, diameter is twice the radius. So instead of d, we can substitute 2r. So we got the formula C equal to 2 pi r, where r is the radius of the circle. So in the question, diameter is given, we can use C equal to pi d. And in the question, if radius is given, to find the circumference, we can use the formula C equal to 2 pi r. Now we are going to find area of a circle. Look at the given figure. A circle is drawn here. It is divided into two parts and shaded with two different colors. And now look at the second circle. It is divided into 8 parts. And 4 part is colored with one color and other 4 part is colored with another color. Here it is pink and blue. Now take out each piece and you have to see like this way. You can cut the circle into 8 pieces and pick out one pieces like this way and arrange the pieces. It is shown in here. Okay. Now you can see that it form a parallelogram. So take one of the piece and divide it into two parts and keep it in both sides. So you will get a picture of rectangle. In other words, if the circle is divided into, that means in the third figure, the circle is divided into 16 parts, so it is more near to the shape of rectangle. Or in the next part, in the last part, the circle is divided into 32 parts and arranged the parts in this manner. So we see that this is exactly looks like a rectangle. So children, if we are cutting the circle into more segments, more parts, the figure is obtained as a, and arranging like this way, then the figure will looks like a rectangle. And you are able to find the area of a rectangle. You are familiar with the area of rectangle, which is equal to L into B. See here, this is the, you can see that this is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle. So what about this length of rectangle? If you are considering the circle, what is the length of the rectangle? See, this is half part of the circle. That means half part of the circle means half of the circumference of the circle. In the upper part also, half of the circumference of the circle. That means if we join this piece together, so we get a circle again. That means the length is the half circumference of the circle. And what about the breadth of the rectangle? Yes, it is the radius of the circle. That comes the breadth of the rectangle. Now you can apply it into the formula. Here we are going to find area of a circle. For that we cut the circle into small pieces and arrange both of them in such a way so that length of the rectangle become the half circumference of the circle and breadth of the rectangle become its radius. Substitute here. So we get, instead of L we can write half circumference. That is 2 pi r divided by 2, which gives pi r into breadth is r. So pi r into r gives pi r square, which is the area of circle. So children, we found the area of circle as pi r square. Now we can move to exercise 11.3. Our first question is, find the circumference of the circles with the following radius given pi. The value of pi is given as 22 upon 7. Question A, 14 centimeter. So given the radius of the circle equal to 14 centimeter and pi equal to 22 upon 7. Circumference of circle equal to 2 pi r. Here radius is given, so we can use the formula 2 pi r. Now substitute the value over here. So 2 into 22 upon 7 into 14. After cancelling 7 and 14, we got 2 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So 22 into 4 gives 88 centimeter, which is the circumference of the given circle. Next question, the radius is given as 28 mm and pi equal to 22 upon 7. Circumference of circle equal to, children, do you remember the formula? Radius is given. What is the circumference of circle? Yes, it is 2 pi r. Substitute the value over here. 2 into 22 upon 7 into 28. 7 and 28 can be cancelled. In the numerator we got 4 and in the denominator 1. So 22 into 8 gives 176 mm, which is the circumference of the circle. Next is question C, 21 centimeter. So for a circle, given radius equal to 21 centimeter and the value of pi is taken as 22 upon 7. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r. While substituting the value over here, we get 2 into 22 upon 7 into 21. 7 and 21 can be cancelled, so that in the numerator we got 3 and the denominator became 1. So 22 into 6 gives 132 centimeter, which is the circumference of the circle. Now question 2, find area of the following circles. Given that radius equal to 14 mm, taken pi as 22 upon 7. So given radius of circle equal to 14 mm. Pi equal to 22 upon 7. Area of circle equal to pi r square. Substituting the value over here, we got 22 upon 7 into 14 into 14. While cancelling 7 and 14, in the numerator we got 2 and denominator became 1. So 22 into 28, which gives 616 millimeter square. Next, B, Diameter is given 49 meter. Children, here we have to find area of the circle. If diameter is given, we are not able to find the area of the circle. To find area of the circle, we need to know the radius of the circle. So here it is given diameter, so we can find the radius dividing the diameter by 2. So radius equal to 49 upon 2 and pi equal to 22 upon 7. Do you remember the formula of area of a circle? Yes, it is pi r square. Now you can substitute the value 22 upon 7 into 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2. 7 and 49 can be cancelled. Similarly, 11 and 22 and 2 can be cancelled. 22 and 2 can be cancelled. In the denominator, we got 1 and the numerator becomes 11. While cancelling 7 and 49, numerator becomes 7 and denominator become 1. So, 11 into 7 into 49 divided by 2, which is equal to 3773 upon 2. While dividing, we get 1886.5 meters square. Next question, here radius is given 5 centimeter and pi is taken as 22 upon 7. Can you say the formula of area of a circle? Yes, pi r square. Substituting the value 22 upon 7 into 5 into 5. 22 into 5 into 5 gives 550 upon 7. While dividing, we get 78.57 centimeters square. Now we move to question number 3. If the circumference of a circular sheet is 154 meter, find its radius, also find the area of the sheet. Take pi equal to 22 upon 7. So, children, what is given in the question that we have to mention first. So, here we are discussing about a circular sheet. So we can write for a circular sheet, circumference is given as 154 meter, pi equal to 22 upon 7, r equal to question mark. That means radius of the circle we have to find. Similarly, we have to find area of the circle also. Do you remember the formula of circumference of a circle? Yes, we have two formulas, pi d or 2 pi r. Here we have to find r, so we can use the formula 2 pi r. So we can get 2 pi r equal to 154 meter. In this formula, we can substitute the value of pi. So we got 2 into 22 upon 7 multiplied by r gives 154. Keep r only on one side and 2 into 22 upon 7 can be shifted to other side of RHS. Therefore, r equal to 154 multiplied by 7 whole divided by 2 into 22. While cancelling 22 and 154, we got 7 in the numerator and 1 in the denominator. So, r equal to 49 upon 2 or 24.5 meter, which is the radius of the circular sheet. Now we have to find area of the circular sheet. Do you remember the formula of area of a circle? Yes, it is pi r square. Substituting the value over here, 22 upon 7 into, we can take the value 49 upon 2 instead of 24.5, to get a easy, the calculation become easy. So 22 upon 7 into 49 upon 2 into 49 upon 2. 22 and 2 can be cancelled. Numerator become 11 and denominator becomes 1. Similarly, 7 and 49 can be cancelled. The numerator becomes 7 and the denominator is 1. So the numerator is 11 into 7 into 49 whole divided by 2, which gives 1886.5 meters square, which is the area of the circular sheet. Now we move to question number 4. A gardener wants to fence a circular garden of diameter 21 meter. Find the length of the rope he needs to purchase. If he makes 2 rounds of fence, also find the cost of the rope if it costs rupees 4 per meter. Take pi equal to 22 upon 7. So let's move the answer. So whatever the things given in the question, first we can write it there. Here it is discussing about a circular garden. So we can write for a circular garden, diameter d equal to 21 meter and pi equal to 22 upon 7. We have to find the length of rope needed to purchase. In what purpose? To make the fence. So length of rope needed for 1 round of fencing means the circumference of the circular garden. And children, we know the circumference of the circle. What is the formula of circumference of a circle? Here diameter is given, so we can use pi into d. That is equal to pi into d. Substituting the value 22 upon 7 into 21. 7 and 21 can be cancelled. We get the numerator as 3 and denominator as 1. So the answer is 22 into 3 equal to 66 meter. Therefore, this is the length of rope required for 1 round of fencing, that is 66 meter. Here the gardener wants to make 2 rounds of fencing, so we can write therefore the length of rope required for 2 rounds of fencing equal to 2 multiplied by 66 meter, which gives 132 meter. So another part of question we answered, that is the length of rope required for 2 rounds of fencing is 132 meter. Now we have to find the cost of the rope. So cost of 1 meter rope equal to rupees 4. Therefore the cost of 132 meter rope equal to rupees 4 multiplied by 132, which gives rupees 528. Now we move to question number 5. From a circular sheet of radius 4 centimeter, here the figure is given, a circle of radius 3 centimeter is removed. This is a circular sheet and the circle removed is the inside one, which is of radius 3 centimeter. Find the area of the remaining sheet. So the area of the remaining sheet we have to find, that is represented by the shaded portion over here. So first we can write what is given in the question. So for a circular sheet, radius equal to 4 centimeter. Pi is given as 3.14. We have to find area of the circular sheet. What is the area of circle? Yes, it is pi r square. Substitute the value 3.14 into 4 into 4, which gives 50.24 centimeter square, which is the area of the circular sheet. Now we have to find the area of the circle to be removed. So how to find area of the remaining sheet? Yes, we have to subtract the area of the circle from the area of the circular sheet. So we get the area of the remaining sheet. Now we have to find area of the circle to be removed. So for a circle, radius equal to 3 centimeter and pi equal to 3.14. Area equal to pi r square. While substituting the value, we get 3.14 multiplied by 3 into 3. While multiplying, we get the answer as 28.26 centimeter square. That means area of the circle to be removed is 28.26 centimeter square. Here in the question, they are asked to find area of the remaining sheet, which is equal to area of the circular sheet minus area of the circle. Substituting the value which we found earlier, that is 50.24 centimeter square minus 28.26 centimeter square. We get the answer as 21.98 centimeter square. Hence the area of the remaining sheet is 21.98 centimeter square. Now we move to question number 6. Saima wants to put a lace on the edge of a circular table cover of diameter 1.5 meter. Find the length of the lace required and also find its cost if 1 meter of the lace cost rupees 15. So children, as usual, what are the given information in the question? We can find it first and note down here. So here it is discussing about a circular table cover. So we can write for a circular table cover, diameter D equal to 1.5 meter and pi equal to 3.14. They are asked to find the length of the lace required. So the length of lace required equal to circumference of the circular table. And children, you know the formula of circumference of circle is pi d. Substituting the value 3.14 multiplied by 1.5, which gives 4.71 meter. So the length of lace required for the circular table cover is 4.71 meter, which is the first part of the question. Now we can find the cost of the lace required. So here it is given the cost of 1 meter of lace equal to rupees 15. Therefore the cost of, we have total 4.71 meter. So the cost of 4.71 meter of lace equal to 4.71 multiplied by rupees 15. While multiplying, we get the answer as rupees 70.65. Hence, the length of lace required is 4.71 meter and its cost is rupees 70.65. Now we move to question number 7. The question is, find the perimeter of the adjoining figure which is a semicircle including its diameter. Here the diameter is given as 10 centimeter and radius. So we can find the radius as d upon 2, that is 10 upon 2 gives 5 centimeter. Why here we have to find the radius? Because we have to find the perimeter of a semicircle. That means circumference of a semicircle. We know the circumference of a circle when r radius is given, then it is 2 pi r. So the circumference of a semicircle means 2 pi r divided by 2, which gives pi r. So the perimeter of semicircle equal to pi r, or the circumference of a semicircle is pi r. Substitute the value, we get 3.14 multiplied by 5, which gives 15.7 centimeter. The given figure is including a semicircle with its diameter. We have to find the perimeter of this figure. So the perimeter of given figure equal to perimeter of semicircle plus diameter will come, which gives 15.7 meter, 7 centimeter plus 10 centimeter, that gives 25.7 centimeter. That means the perimeter of the adjoining figure is 25.7 centimeter. Now we move to the 8th question. Find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is rupees 15 per meter square. See children, here you have the doubt whether we have to find perimeter or area. So either you can check in the last part of the question. It is given rupees 15 per meter square, and meter square is the unit of area. That means it is understood we have to find the area only. And here the question is find the cost of polishing a circular table. We are doing the polishing on the surface of the table only. So whatever we are doing on the surface, that means we have to find the area only. And when we have to find the perimeter, yes, whatever the things we are doing on the border of the figure or border of a tabletop, then in that case we have to find the perimeter. So it is understood here we have to find the area of the tabletop only. So as usual, what is the information given in the question? First of all, we can write here. So for a circular tabletop, diameter equal to 1.6 meter. We are going to find the area. So we have to find the radius of the tabletop. So radius equal to diameter upon 2, which gives 1.6 upon 2 equal to 0.8 meter. And the value of pi equal to 3.14. Now area of tabletop equal to, it is a circular tabletop, so it is equal to pi r square. Substituting the value 3.14 into 0.8 into 0.8. 3.14 multiplied by 0.64, which gives 2.0096 meter square. So the first part of the question is complete. Now we have to find the rate of polishing. So we can write the cost of polishing 1 meter square tabletop equal to rupees 15. We have total 2.0096 meter square our tabletop. Therefore, the cost of polishing 2.0096 meter square tabletop equal to 2.0096 multiplied by 15, which gives rupees 30.14 approximately. So the cost of polishing the tabletop is rupees 30.14 approximately. Children, copy down all these sums and the notes given about circumference and area of the circle in your CW. Thank you and have a nice day.